Okay, your channel looks amazing. Now we need to fill it with videos people actually want to watch. This is where 99% of creators fail. They just make what they think is cool. You need to make what your audience thinks is cool. For the next month, your entire focus is on creating a consistent stream of high-quality, valuable content. And by consistent, I mean you need to pick a schedule and stick to it like your life depends on it. Whether it's one video a week or 3, do not miss an upload. This trains the YouTube algorithm and your audience to expect content from you regularly. So what is high-quality content? It doesn't mean you need a $10,000 camera. It means you need good audio, decent lighting, and most importantly, a great idea. Your audio is more important than your video. People will watch a slightly blurry video with perfect sound, but they will click away instantly if they can't hear you clearly. Get a cheap lavalier mic, it will change the game, and your ideas need to provide value. Value can be entertainment, education, or inspiration. Your video needs to solve a problem or make someone feel something. Before you hit record, ask yourself, why would someone click on this and why would they watch it all the way to the end? Let's get tactical. For the first few videos, I want you to research what's already working in your niche. Use tools like TubeBuddy or just the YouTube search bar to see what topics are popular. Look at the top performing videos and ask yourself how you can do it better, or with a unique twist. Can you make it more entertaining, more in-depth? Can you present the information in a completely new way? Your goal isn't to copy, it's to innovate. Create a list of 10 to 20 video ideas right now. This content plan will be your roadmap for the month. Execute it flawlessly, no excuses. You've got a professional-looking channel and you're uploading consistently. Now it's time to pour gasoline on the fire. For the next 2 months, we are obsessed with one thing: growth. That means subscribers and views. Let's start with the most powerful tool you have, your titles and thumbnails. These two things are responsible for 90% of your clicks. I don't care if you made the best video in the world. If your thumbnail and title are boring, no one will ever see it. Your thumbnail needs to be bright, clear, and create curiosity. Use bold text, expressive faces, and contrasting colors. Your title needs to make a promise and create urgency. Once they click, you need to keep them watching. This is where engagement comes in. You need to treat your comment section like a party. Respond to as many comments as you can, especially in the first hour after uploading. Ask questions in your videos to prompt comments. Pin the best comments. When people feel seen and heard, they become more than just viewers. They become a community. They become loyal fans who will show up for every single video. This engagement sends powerful signals to the YouTube algorithm that your video is worth pushing to a wider audience. Now, let's talk about promotion. Don't just upload your video and pray. You need to actively push it out there. Share it on every social media platform you have. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, TikTok, but don't just spam the link. Create custom content for each platform that teases the video. Post a compelling clip on TikTok. Create a poll on Twitter related to the video topic. Share a behind-the-scenes photo on Instagram. The goal is to drive traffic from other platforms to your YouTube video in the crucial first 24 to 48 hours. This is an all-out assault for eyeballs.